What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install free games on your Xbox. There we go. So you click X on your controller and you click install. That's how. Right now I don't have a hard drive in my Xbox. I'm going to get it tomorrow. And hope you guys had a good day. And I'm going to be posting an airsoft guns. I'm getting them either tomorrow or I don't know. Alright, see you later. And I'm just going to show you my controller real quick. Here, I can't show you it because the stupid iPad's being annoying. There we go. It's a spinning D-pad, whatever. Alright, goodbye.